Hello guys, as you can see that's the BlackBerry desktop software. I need to enter my password. And now it shows you the version of your BlackBerry, version 4.6. And I wanna install applications from the computer to the BlackBerry. I'll go to applications, but I need to wait until the BlackBerry gets connected. Yeah, it's now connected. Loading applications from device. And now, as you can see, all the applications I have on my BlackBerry are shown here. But the applications with the plus are the applications I don't have. Like, I think I have English, but maybe not UK. If I want, let's say I want to install English language, let's say, and I want to install BlackBerry Maps. I don't have it. Press a plus. BlackBerry Messenger, but it will give you the oldest version of the BlackBerry PVM. I don't have Brick Breaker. Okay, then plus. And you can also delete applications from here. Like, let's say I want to delete Facebook. And then when I finish from choosing what I want, I press apply. And then the update will take place. It's downloaded modules 3 of 6. After finishing from this download process, the mobile will restart. It will reboot. And if you can see here, down here, it shows you how this capacity is free in your mobile, like 137 megabytes remaining from the 252. Then after finishing from this step, the phone will reboot, and then you'll have all the applications that you installed. And now it's loading the applications, and now it's rebooting the mobile. And now the mobile will reboot normally, and then every application I download will be on the phone. Thanks for watching.